Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 6. I hope you all are fine, fit and fine at your places, right? Today is 18th of November 2024 and the day is Monday. Please excuse me because I have a sore throat today and you know the effects of smoke, everyone is facing it, so it doesn't matter. We have to keep on working and we have to have progression in life. ठीक है, बैठ तो नहीं सकते ना, काम तो करना है. Same is the case with you people. घर में बैठना तो नहीं है. You have to study, right? You have to study during school hours, and then you can play and do whatever you want to. And I expect that you all are working and completing your tasks properly. Okay, boys and girls, in our last lesson, we were doing question number 6 of exercise 6A, solve each of the following equations, and we had solved two of the sums on the board here, and you people were with me at that time. And I had given you one part C, as a homework. How many of you have done it? Please be honest. How many of you have done it? Okay. If you think that I have to revise it, I can do a recap having that particular, question. What was it? It was, can someone please, y over 2 minus, what else? What was that? 1 over 5, right? And equals to, good, 2 minus y over 3. This corner I have prepared for rough work, so we'll be doing rough work together. I would suggest you people to always have this, column. Whenever you are doing written work of math, you should have a column of rough work with you on that particular page to facilitate yourself. Okay? Now first, what was the first step which we are expected to do here? We have to, yes, we have to put the things together. How come? They are together, but how can we put them together? Yes, we will put them together. Y and Y will come together, and these constants will get on one side. अब यहाँ I told you that the operations get reversed, opposite हो जाते हैं वो एक दूसरे के जब वो अपनी side change करते हैं. Left hand side पे if they are behaving in positive operation, तो right hand side if they will, when we will shift them to the right hand side, they will act positive over there. And if they are being multiplied on right hand side and we have to shift them to the left hand side, so they will be doing division. Okay. So we are going to put the things together first. This y over 3 has to come here, and this 1 over 5 is to go there. This y over 3 is like, okay, this is subtraction, this is subtraction. This part of the question has to come here, and this part of the question has to go there. Then this will be the proper equation here. So what will we do? Y over 2, यहाँ माइनस हो रहा है, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा वो प्लस. गुड. This 2 is alone here. Duster. This minus 5, minus 1 over 5 is minus here, and it will play like, it will act 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. ठीक है? This is arranged now, variables on one side and constants on the other side. Right? Now, what do we have to do? How many numbers do we have? How many denominators do we have? We have 3. And what is it supposed to be written here? 1 only? 2, 3, 1, 5. What are we supposed to do now? We have to, please be quick, Aves. What do we have to do? Yes, we have to take the LCM. 2, 3, 1, 5. अच्छा 1 चाहे हम ना भी लिखें, it's fine. लेकिन अगर हम इसको बिल्कुल ambiguous नहीं होना चाहिए. Everything has to be crystal clear. इसलिए I have written 1 here as well because we are having 4 denominators here. So first of all, we will have 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 will be written as same. 1 will be written as it is, and 5 divide 3 with the one with the number, after which we get answer 1. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 1 and 5. Now what is the number? 5. 1, 1, 1 and 1. Do we have a need to divide it with 1 as well? So yeah, what will be the answer afterwards? Decimal? Exactly, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's it. Now what is the LCM? We have to multiply. 2 3s are mass. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 6 5s are 6 5s are 6 5s are 30. 30 and 30 ones are 30. So what is the LCM? It's 30. Right? अब हमने क्या करना है? Yes, we will multiply 30 with each and every part of this equation. Right? 30 multiplied by y over 2 plus y over 3 multiplied by 30. Okay. Now 30 multiplied by 2 over 1 plus 1 over 5 multiplied by 30. Now every component of this equation is getting multiplied with the LCM which we found here, which we calculated here. Right? Now, if there is a possibility to cancel out the figures, we can. If there is not, then simply we will multiply it. Okay? So, 2, ones are 2. 2, how many are 30? Yes, Bahaj. 2, 15 are 30. 2 ones are 2. It becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 how many are 30? Yes, Hussein. 3 10s are 30. We cannot divide 1 with 30 because we cannot multiply. See, 1 and 30, we cannot cancel it out. 1 divided by 30 is 30. So it will have no effect. 5, 1s are 5 and 5. Yes, Anna. 5, bilkul sahi. 6 are 30. Now we have to make it simpler. 15 multiplied by y. 15y. 10 multiplied by y. 10y. ठीक है, we will be multiplying now. 30 multiplied by 2. 60. Good. And 6 multiplied by 1. 6. ये 6 अच्छा. 15 plus 10. Quick. Be quick at your mental calculations. 15 multiplied by 10. It is 8 is 25. Shabash. 25y is equal to 60 plus 6. So simple. 66. Now 25 is multiplying here. There on the other side when we shift 25, it will divide 66 over there, right? So y is equal to 66 divided by 25. Clear? This is the value of y. We can write the answer in mixed fraction as well. I am sure that you people know about the mixed fraction, and if you don't, we can solve it here. So 66 divided by 25. So at what number we will get a certain number which is closer to 66. 25 ones are 25. Is it closer to 66? No. 25 twos are 50. Is it closer to 66? A bit. 25 threes are 75. Is it closer to 66? No, it gets bigger na. बड़ा हो जाता है ये. 25 twos are 50. So what is the remainder here? 6 minus 0, 6 and 6 minus 5, 1. This is the mixed fraction we have to write. So what will be the answer? The answer will be y is equal to 2 whole number 16 over 25. Please check this sum again. If you have done the homework, then प्लीज इसको आप टैली करें अपने काम किए हुए काम के साथ कि आपने ठीक सॉल्व किया है. हैव यू डन इट करेक्टली एंड प्रॉपर्ली? If not, then you may take help from this lesson now and please do corrections whatever required. Okay, is it clear everyone? अच्छा interesting है ना? And it's not very difficult. Okay, let's move on to the next sum. Let me erase the board meanwhile. Okay, here is the next equation to be solved. 2 over 3y minus 3 over 4 is equals to 2y plus 5 over 8. Now quickly you have to tell me the steps and I will be solving it and you people will be solving it along with me. We have to put similar things together, okay? 2 over 3y. Now here it is plus 2y. So when we will move it to this side, it will be minus 2y. This is 5 over 8. We can write plus with it as well. Now this 3 over 4 is being subtracted over here. When we will shift it to the next side, it will be adding into it. Very good. Now see, 2 over 1. How many denominators do we have now? We have 3, we have 1, we have 8, we have 4. What is our next step? Quickly. What is our next step? Yes, we have to find out the LCM. Very good, boys and girls. 3, 1, 8, 4. सबसे पहले 3, 1 are 3, 1, 8, 4. Now see, we have to work with smaller numbers. एकदम से हमने बड़े और complicated number पे नहीं जाना. We have to work with smaller numbers. अब हमें it could be 4 also the next one, but I will prefer to work with 2. 1, 1, 2. How many are 8? 2 4s are 8. Good. And 2 2s are 4, of course. Then again I will be working with 2. 2. 1, 1, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Again I will be working with 2. 1, 1, 1 and 1. See, use smaller numbers to find out and to work while you are doing LCM. Now we have to multiply 3, multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So our answer of LCM is 24. ठीक है, अब LCM आ गया. अब हमने क्या करना है LCM को? ऐसे छोड़ना है? नहीं, we cannot leave it. We will multiply each component of this equation with 24. How? As we had done earlier, 24 2 over 3y minus 2 over 1y multiplied by 24 is equal to 24 multiplied by 5 over 8 plus 3 over 4 multiplied by 24. Now we have to, yes, we will look into it that whether it can be cancelled out or not. What do you think? Yes, it can be. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So this will remain the same. 8 1s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Good. 4 1s are 4 and 4. Yes, Isha. Good. Now we will multiply 8 with 2, 2 with 24, 3 with 5, 3 with 6. Is it clear? Now see, 8 2s are 16, 5 minus 2 and 24s are 24 2s are fours are 8 and 2 twos are. How simple is that? 48. Why? 3 fives are 15 plus 3 six are 18. Now see, 16 minus 48 is equal to 15 plus 18. अब आप कहेंगे कि जी ये छोटा है ये बड़ा है तो क्या हुआ? We'll solve it. But the thing is, the point which is to be kept in mind that minus is with the bigger number, so minus will be considered as dominating here. We will subtract 16 out of 48 and we will put the sign of minus because 48 is the bigger number. So what is 48 minus 16? 8 minus 6? 2. 4 minus 1? 3. Why? But it will be minus 32y. क्यों है minus 32y? समझ आ रही है? जी बिल्कुल, क्योंकि 48 बड़ा नंबर है ना, बड़े नंबर के साथ जो साइन होता है वो फॉलो है. अभी के लिए प्लस माइनस इज माइनस, माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, प्लस प्लस इज प्लस. इस रूल को वी हैव टू अप्लाई इट. 15 plus 18, 5 plus 8, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Up here we have to keep this y alone. So now this minus 32, we will divide minus 32 with minus 32 and 33 with minus 32 also. ये साइन साथ ही चलेगा उसके. माइनस को कैंसिल करने का तरीका माइनस ही है. माइनस माइनस से ही कैंसिल होगा. So we will cancel it. 33 or 32. It is y is equal to minus 33 over 32. We will find out the answer in mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means in which we have a number as a whole number and a numerator and a denominator. ठीक है? अब आओ, we will divide simply 33 with 32. So is there any number on 32's table which is greater than 33? सोचे? नहीं ना? तो 32 ones are 32 and 3 minus 2 is 1. What is the remainder here? 1. And what is this? Whole numbers. Good. So our answer will be minus 1 whole number 1 over 32. ठीक है? This is the answer. You got it? All of you? माइनस को हमने इंपॉर्टेंस देनी होती है ना, क्योंकि वो जल्दी से जाना छोड़ता माइनस. So it has to be written here. So should I erase it now? Is it clear to all of you? And I think we should move further now. Now we will be solving question number 7. We will start with question number 7, part A. And it is very much similar to the ones we have just solved, but in here we will be working with cross multiplication. First is 0.2 over x is equal to 0.8. What do you mean by cross? This is a cross. So cross multiplication का क्या मतलब होगा? Cross multiplication. Exactly. For example, if we have 2 over 3 here and 3 over 2 here, we have to use a duster always. We're not supposed to keep our hands 3/2. Cross multiplication means that this number will be multiplied with this side's numerator will be multiplied with the other side's denominator, like this and this. ठीक है? Now simple. Similarly, we will do the same. We will do cross multiplication. Here, we will multiply, but before that multiplication, we have to remove this decimal number. This decimal number, we have to make it simpler. So, अब इधर फ्रैक्शन है तो भी फ्रैक्शन हो जाए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. 0.2/x is equal to we have 8. How many zeros I am supposed to write here when there is one digit after the point or after decimal? बिल्कुल सही, only one. So we will be multiplying, cross multiplying with each other. 8 multiplied by x will be 8x, right? And 10 multiplied by 0.2. Okay? Now we can remove this decimal as well. We can make it simplified. How? 10 multiplied by 2 over how many numbers? 1 0. 10 multiplied by 2 over 10. काम ही आसान हो गया हमारा. This 10 and this 10 will cancel out each other. We will have 8x is equal to 2. But still, we have to find out the value of the variable 8. Now 8 is multiplying x here. When it will be shifted to the next side, it will be opposite exactly. X is equal to 2 over 8. यहाँ ये मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है, वहाँ जाके ये डिवाइड करेगा. ये अपना रवैया, अपना बिहेवियर चेंज कर लेगा when we shift the numbers to the opposite side. Now see, 2 answer 2, 2 4 are 8. X is equal to 1 over 4. But as we have the question in decimal numbers, so preferably we will write answer in decimal number as well. So x 1 over 4, 1 divided by 4. Can you divide 1 and 4 like that? Can you? Exactly no. So we will add point here and 1 0 here. 4 2s are 8. What is the remainder? 2. We can add 0 on our own because we have used decimal. एक तो हमने यहाँ decimal लगा लिया है, तो हम साथ साथ 0 इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं जहाँ हमें जरूरत पड़ेगी. 4 5s are 20. So what will be the answer? 0.25. इसको आपने 0.25 पढ़ना प्लीज. This is 0.25. This is the answer. And I'm sure it is clear. It's quite clear now. I'm sure it's not very technical. Same procedures हैं, बस यहाँ हमने cross multiplication का इस्तेमाल किया. We have used cross multiplication to make things easier and simpler in solving the sum. Now, what is your homework? This part B is your homework. Question number 7. Part B is your homework. Okay boys and girls, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.